Hello everyone, it's Edward from Ideal Direct Home Improvements, and I wanted just to make a quick review, a video. Okay, so we're going all cordless, and it's the most important thing because it used to drive me crazy. The cords, the power, the power doesn't work there. Try the other outlets, blah, 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 so on and so forth, right? And for portability, when we're doing bigger jobs, we can just pick up a saw, go to the other side and so on and so forth. My most favorite saw right now is the Dewalt Cordless 7 1/4, okay? For baseboard and casing and finished carpentry, this here, this trim, this casing, okay, is 3.5 inches, okay? Whether it had the back band on or not, if it had the back band, it'd be bigger, but we didn't put the back band on. 3.5 inches. This saw will cut it like butter, okay? The baseboard again, our baseboard, it's 5.5. This saw cut it. It bevels. Come take a look at some of the features, right? So you have your little, I guess, whatever you call that, little handle. It bevels only to one side, but all you have to do is flip the piece of wood around, right? For trim, this is like the nicest saw ever. My old trim saw was just a Hitachi, if I'm not mistaken, it was an 8 1/4 inch blade. I've had that thing, oh my God, for a good 20, 22 years type thing. And I still have it and I use it, but it was heavy. It was really heavy. So, and then always plug it in and stuff like that. The switch went on it a couple times, but you have to expect that within 20 years. So this is my new baby. This is my trim saw. The 7 1/4, 20 volt max. And I'll tell you why we're sticking with Dewalt. To be honest, lately, like either Lowe's or Home Depot, they always have those bundles where it has so many tools and stuff like that, okay? We're buying all the brushless systems and we're going all 20 volt and so on and so forth, right? So once we started with buying one of those big bags, that had the saws all in it, the jigsaw, circular saw, even the multi-tool, the set that we bought came with a multi-tool and a grinder. So like, especially grinder too, we use it a lot. So the portability is great. So in one bag, you have like 5 or 6 tools that are all cordless, and it came with 2 batteries and I think 1 charger. So then from there, our system kept building. So I was inclined to stick with Dewalt because we used to do all Hilti, and that was too much. It was insane in terms of cost and stuff. So when I saw that Dewalt started coming up with tools like this, which up until now, 2019, I think one other company is making a cordless trim saw like this. So it was the Dewalt, the only one on the market, and the Dewalt had it. And I said, you know what? We already have battery chargers, impact drills, everything, Dewalt. I'm gonna stick with Dewalt. And the first thing I did once, I got a little older, got a little more tired, and this was on sale. I think it was $100 off or something. I picked it up, I didn't think twice. And we picked this up. This is the greatest thing ever, right? It does everything any other miter saw does. It can miter bevel and miter at the same time, right? To do crown with this, forget it. To do crown, you need the big 12-inch dual bevel, all of that fancy stuff. But this is my most favorite. Come take a look at a little bit of an option here, right? So it has a light, which is great, right? Let me grab a piece of wood. Let's just use a cedar shim for now so you can see, okay? And to use this saw, it has not a laser, but a light. So somehow they did the reflection, and if you can see that black line, okay, I'm gonna turn the light back on. If you can see that black line, that's exactly where your blade's gonna cut. So I can see my line as I'm cutting my 45, and this saw is nice because see the black mark, the shadow? That's where the finished cut is, right? So now I can see my line from this side. Let's cut. Let's go check and see how it fits. Especially for do-it-yourselfers, you don't need anything big, anything fancy. 7 1/4 inch, cuts 5 1/2 like butter, and then some. You know, if we take a look at the ripping capacity of this, okay, I see it can cut a piece up to 8 inches. 8 inches for the do-it-yourselfer is more than plenty. So that's my review on this guy here. If you want to get a good cordless or just a good little miter saw that can do a lot of stuff, it's the sliding compound cordless 20-volt Dewalt saw. And there you have it, folks. I recommend this saw. I love it. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you take a look at that and stuff. Thanks so much.